What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. In this video, man, first of all, I'd like to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Appreciate it. All y'all been supporting me. I really appreciate it. Over the last weekend, we've hit just a little bit over 1,000 subscribers, and we on the road. We on the road. I appreciate you riding with me on this journey, man. And we getting ready to go look at some cars, or look at one particular car. I'm not sure where this video is going to take us, man, but stay tuned with me, man, and we'll see where this video takes us today. What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, man. Today's video gonna be real short and spliffy, man. Be real up short like a spliff, man. Today just did a little cleanup on the car and fatten up my amp wire from my amp system. I'm gonna be running a bigger system in the car, so it called for a bigger gauge wire. So today that's what I did. So today I just cleaned the car up a little bit, and yeah, man, just cleaned the car up a little bit and ran a bigger wire. I'm gonna show you guys. This video probably ain't gonna be about 5 minutes long. I just need 5 minutes of your time. Check it out. Clean the wheels up real good. Them Mazzi's, got them Mazzi 20 looking real good today. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what it is, man. Gotta look good for the new year coming in. And then after that, man, we're gonna put this thing in the paint shop, man. Y'all write in the comment section what color you think should go with the little car, man. You know what I'm saying? Getting a late video today, man. I ain't had no content. Today been a pretty day. It's been about 60 degrees today in North Carolina, Gastonia, North Carolina, man. And I've been working on the car pretty good. Hold on, guys. Down. Put the damn panel on today. Put the panel back on that side. If you noticed in previous videos, it's been off. Still got a bunch of tools in there. Working on the vehicle, you know. Shit, a big power wire done put on there, y'all. Give me the right amperage to the base, it drop harder. That's all we got. There it is. Yep. Run big wire, just got to connect it. Not done yet. So that's where we're running. Down to coming at the firewall, back behind the engine, and yeah, man. See, the tint's still looking good on the car. I need to get the back glass done, guys. I ain't done that yet. But anyway, yeah, man, I got some of these panels up. I ain't took them all the way up, but running all the way back there, down there, back to the back. I just decided I got started and started getting dark, and I figured I'd give you all a little light something on what I'm doing today, man. Like I say, man, I didn't do nothing special today while working on the car. I just thought to myself, man, you know what? Go ahead and drop a little light video right quick. But yeah, man, that's what it's been, man. Putting in that amp wire and throwing that door panel over there. And next I'm gonna try to clean the car up a little bit. It's in a mess right now. Yeah. I want to get rid of this roof, this rack, this luggage rack right here, and just put a spoiler alongside there and remove that. And just hook it up for the channel. Maybe I might make this car a giveaway car. fix it up and give it away to somebody with lucky subscriber, you know what I'm saying? I don't know yet. It's a classic. You know I gotta have me something good to ride if I'm gonna do all that, y'all. So it's kind of late in the day, like I say, man. If something come up where I can give y'all some exciting content, man, I'm gonna turn the camera back on, man. So I'm turned off right now. I'll tap back in if I get something else. Otherwise, this will be probably pretty much the end of the video. Just a little short vlog for you today. You know what I'm saying? Nothing exclusive, you feel me? Nothing exclusive. Nothing exclusive, man. Just trying to do a little something. Give YouTube a little something, you feel me? I don't know what's going on with my camera here. Wait a minute. Hold on, guys. Camera acting up a little bit. Hold on. Alright, guys, we back. It was a zoom on the camera. Camera acting up a little bit. I don't know. I hope I had it in the right zoom when I was recording, y'all. So, hopefully, I'm gonna give y'all a little start. Let you hear the motor rumble a little bit. See what we got. Okay, start without the key. Even the ignition broke right now. I still need the key. So we're gonna drop by around this brake muffler and get it repaired. You hear me, Brandy? I'm coming down and bring this car down and get it fixed. It's a little cold. A little cold, a little cold. A little cold. A little cold. I'm just all over the place today, man. But you know what it is, man. Kind of crazy day. Been a crazy day. Beautiful day, but crazy day. Should have pulled this camera out when I was up there to Washington early this morning, but hell, it is what it is, man. Motor's still running good. Like I said, last time I worked on the engine, I changed that eyelet pulley that's right about there, and the serpentine belt. You see it's spinning right there, brand new. And it's about time for a set of plug wires on the car. Change the wires, they're about $100. Change them. And I check the oil, check transmission fluid here in a little bit. But like I say, I got something going on the camera, man. I'm gonna cut it back on and update y'all with something, man. So till that time, I'll be turning the camera off right now.